A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And let us talk about important matters. So, I saw Dr. Ramazita, but there is this report which is saying Mr. Loudmouth, together with his wife, are on the run. So, we need to take a look onto this matter and understand facts. So, Kerina Mujati, a well known critic of the current regime, says, "Good morning, Zimbabwe. Chris and Monica left Zimbabwe. Monica is stressed out and Chris is complaining of his spinal injuries. Lately, it has been noted that most of EDU's ministers have not been appearing on some public engagements. Kusara kwana mafikizolo, anamswerena namasuka. Let this be a Damascene moment for Chris and Monica to reflect on their entitlement. Kagari Popper's behavior as if they were the most qualifying pigs of our nation. Reality is sinking in as they are equally feeling what we shall do. We all do as helpless citizens. Freedom of speech and association are rights which every citizen of Zimbabwe, whether power or not, must enjoy. Let us pray for them and welcome them to the realities of what every Zimbabwean is going through after they led a misleading PA campaign for the miserable looter and murderous thieving. So, to justify the case coup, welcome to reality. You must both pull through and live to experience the harsh realities of losing your freedom and your birthright to live rich and fulfill your potential and capabilities whilst in your nation. Just like the many politicians, civilians, and government officials who did not agree to see Dambudzo as a leader but a mere thug. Chris and Monica, you persecuted them through your dirty campaigns abusing the media. Welcome to that miserable life of living in fear of ED and not knowing what might hit you. This is what Kerina Mujati has said, and this post has reached a lot of viewership, around 89,000. So we need to take a look onto this story. These are allegations, and this is a developing story, and there is no supporting evidence to suggest that they have left the country. But if we are to take a look onto their circumstances, you would see that Mr. Loudmouth is in trouble. Whether he likes it or not, left or right or center, he is facing a lot of criticism within ZANU-PF because of his loud mouth, because of his failure to control himself, because of abuse of power. And that is ZANU-PF for you. So the moment you start to understand what is ZANU-PF chinhu chakaita sechinhu chinodya vana vacho, then all will be well for you. So panapa poor Chris, his arrogance makes me rejoice what he's going through. Okay, zvanzi vari kupiti vadzose kumbavha yavo yavakachengetedza. Chris was in foreign currency as a dealer, so let Zimbabweans know reality. Zvanzi left the country willingly or forced. This is a very important question. Zvanzi zana haina wayo unenge uri wayo nhasi mangwana yokusvipa. Everything else is okay, but pakuti let us pray for them. I don't know, what do you want us to pray for? Chimbwasungata icho aitambira kuamerica achitengesa nyika achida kubvisa vaMnangagwa pachigaro, vese nacharamba havana basa ngavaende. Okay, this is Kandiva. Zvanzi savela savona inkungu yakala kakulu yave isiyodavuka. Woe this world that at least we are spared from the so-called war fantasies. Okay, so this in John Josh, Monica is probably local. Okay, and the Vama squared. It is a lesson to everyone. Let's build our country so that we can all enjoy to live in it, regardless of one's political affiliation. And at least they have somewhere to go. Some of us have nowhere to go. So this is a developing story in Zimbabwe, and this is what Kerina Mujati right here is claiming. I do not know how you view it, and we'll continue to take a look onto this story. So before I end it, we need to try and find some evidence or some leading evidence to see if they're in Zimbabwe or not. So there are so many issues happening. There is a letter which is purported to be issued by Chris Mnangagwa, but it was dismissed by Anamara Pira and other ZANU-PF people. So you'd understand that a lot is happening. A lot is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe, and we need to know. Okay, so this is Kozwa confirming that Chris Mnangagwa is in Dubai. These people, they always frequent Dubai. They're always in Dubai, and I do not know if this time around they are there for another thing, but they're always in Dubai. They're always on holiday when they don't have anything else to do. So, okay. So a lot is happening. These are the letters which are being purported to be written by Chris. So we'll see. Kana musati manzwa zvimwe zviya I believe that if he is out of the country for good, he's going to issue some statements. You start to hear him. So when he's not appearing live on video, actually blasting and distancing himself from this regime, then so we've tried to dig deeper and understand what is happening. It said, I think he's in Dubai, and the mission is not known. Why is he in Dubai at this moment in time? Which means anything is possible, and we cannot give a solid conclusion to see if he's running or not. So it is what it is. Team Zimbabwe will continue to watch and see how these things are going to unfold. But let me assure the people of Zimbabwe that change, the much needed change, is coming. When, how, personally, I do not know, but I feel, I sense that to those who are going to be alive, they are going to enjoy this new great Zimbabwe. And my prayer is that you all get protected, you all get the shield from the Lord, so that you get into that new great Zimbabwe alive, well, and kicking. And it's very important for us to understand that we need to have solidarity with each other. We need to unite and make sure that we work together for the good of the nation of Zimbabwe. I love you all. Please keep on subscribing, commenting, sharing. The more you share our videos, the more you like our videos, the more they are shown to as many people as possible. You have that role. We have that duty to make these videos. You have that role and that duty to share these videos. That is the least you can do to make sure that you are supporting us. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. We will continue to do these live programs each and every day. Let us meet in other episodes as well as the broadcasts.